Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are, hi, my name's Hermione and I'm currently trying to fix up this dusty old Victorian house. It's a lot less dusty now than it was, but it's not quite there yet. I've got a little way to go. Today I'm going to be sharing a homeware haul with you guys. It's been a while since I've sat down and just chatted about homeware and some of the bits that I've picked up. So I'm going to start with good old TK Maxx. I found this cushion for £7, I think. I've taken the price tag off. Well done me. It's not often I remember to do that, but I think it was £7 in the clearance section, and I'm not really sure which way up it goes, but it's just a textured cushion, and I've been looking for something like this for my couch. I have a beige couch and I'm collecting some kind of similar looking cushions which are textured but all different, and it was missing one, and this one kind of just fits the bill. So I'm really pleased with that. It just goes on my couch very, very nicely. So there was that. Nice little bargain right there. Also from TK Maxx a couple of months ago now, I picked up a massive rug also for my living room, and that was on clearance for, I think it was £32, which is a bargain for a rug that size. It's just black and white stripe, but it's the perfect size for under my coffee table, and I was really hoping to find something to layer on top of the natural rug from IKEA that I already have in there. So I had been looking for probably about 6 months for something to go there. So when I found that, I was really glad that I held out and I waited, and the stars aligned and I found that one and it was perfect. So another win from TK Maxx. Next up is Aldi's. I found a few little bits in here. Now, I've had to stop myself from going into Aldi's recently because I go in and then I buy loads of things that I didn't know I needed until I saw them in Aldi's, and then I totally needed them. So I kind of just had to stop and not go in as often, but it's very difficult. So I did go in today, and I actually found a couple of things that I was looking for. So first up, I found some gold wire baskets. They come in a set of two. One's smaller and one's bigger, and these are an amazing deal at the moment. They are £2.99 instead of £4.99, but I picked these up for the guest bedroom because I'm planning on making that over, and I thought the gold would be a nice accent in there, and I needed some baskets, so I was really impressed with those. And then this little guy right here, who's keeping my bedside table from looking bland, is just a little succulent that I picked up. He was £2.69, which is not bad at all, and it already comes in quite a nice detailed pot. Couldn't help myself buying that when I was in Aldi. He's cute. There we go. So one of the first places I went to in Copenhagen was H&M Home. In my defense, I don't have a H&M Home anywhere near me, so I felt like it would be okay to pick up a couple of things, and I actually feel like in H&M in Denmark they have much cuter things than they do here in the UK. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but they had some really nice bits in. I did manage to pick up 2 cushion covers. These were the equivalent of about £9.99 but in Danish kroner, and they're just stripy pink cushion covers. I've been looking for pink ones for my couch, the other couch in the sitting room. It's a leather couch. It was a hand-me-down. I don't love leather, so I'm just trying to make it look a little bit more girly. So I picked up these. I also went to Austrian Green. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I say that every time, but I still never get it right. And I love it in there so much. I really wish we had one closer to me. I met a really lovely viewer in there too. So hello, if you're watching this. She made my day. She was really nice. But yeah, I picked up a few bits and bobs. I've shown you most of the frames that I got in my gallery wall video, which if you haven't seen it, you totally should. I got a palm print, which I really love. I got a big starburst mirror in there, which was a struggle to get in the suitcase, to say the least. And I also picked up a couple of smaller prints, which I've put on my shelves. This one is just this like circular design that I really like. I just love the prints that they put in the frames themselves. Like, you can obviously change the print, but the print is really nice as well. So I picked up that, and I don't have it on me right now, but I picked up 4 of these really small ones with the leaf print on the inside. I really love the leaf, so I'm just kind of leafing them. Ha ha ha. Throw me in the bin. I'm just leaving them as they are, but a couple of them I'm gonna switch out. I put one of them on my gallery wall with a picture of my mum, and yeah, I picked up 4 because I think they're a really nice size. And then I did something I'm not proud of. I distinctly remember saying that I'm not gonna buy any more notebooks in my stationery clearing video. These are all my spares, and I'm gonna go through them one by one, and I will not be buying any more notebooks until I'm done with these. In my defense, I have used 5 of those notebooks completely gone, back to back. All of the paper is gone. They had to be thrown away. So, I did pick up a few notebooks. But again, in my defense, this one's a sketchbook, so they're really cute. This one was the equivalent of £1.22, and this one doesn't have a sticker, but it was about the same price. But I just really like them a lot, and I'm a sucker for notebooks. So there's those. And lastly, I picked up this little, I think it's a vase, but I'm using it for stationery supplies on my desk in my bedroom, and it's just got bobbles all over it. It's got this kind of speckled pattern on it. It's really nice. I love a good ceramic piece, especially if it's got something a bit interesting to it, so couldn't help but pick this one up. And the price of that one was £3.98. We did go to a shop that I think it's called Noir. I'm not sure. I will try and find out what it was called because I took some footage. It was incredible on the inside. It actually had a koi carp pond on the inside of this homeware and clothing store, and a proper waterfall. It was really surreal. I picked up a laundry bag. Hear me out. So it looks like this. Is it the right way up? Yes, it is. Well done me. And it just says, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, laundry every day, something about laundry. And I picked this up not because I need a laundry bag, but because I have a frame in my kitchen area or my laundry area, and I think that this would look really cool in it. I think it just looked relevant. It's got something about like travel in it at the moment, which I like, but I think I might move elsewhere so that I can have this in it instead. I did also pick up one of these. This is just a little vase, and it's kind of green and like teal blue, which is a really pretty color combination. And when I saw this, I thought it would look really, really nice in my sitting room. So that's where it's gonna go. It's just one of those ones where you can put just like one stem in it. So couldn't help myself pick them up. And lastly, just a couple of things from the charity shop to finish this video off. This is quite collective, so it's stuff that I found over the last couple of months, but I found some good things. So first of all, I have 2 vases. I got them on the same day. The first one is this one, which is a very odd shape. It just looks like this, and it's just a speckled textured ceramic vase. I really like it. I like that it's black on the inside and beige and speckled on the outside. And this was £1.50 in the local hospice shop, and this is now in my hallway. I actually had like a pineapple on the shelf, but every time I walked past it, I liked it less and less. I'm kind of over it, so I decided to donate the pineapple and put this there instead. And then this I picked up, which is currently on my breakfast nook. Well, it's currently in my hand, but it was, I mean, like 30 minutes ago on my breakfast nook table. This was also £1.50 from the same shop, and it's just another textured ceramic vase, very natural, but with like a glazed white bit at the top. And I'm really loving these kind of textures at the moment. How many times can one woman say the word texture in the space of a minute? I don't know, but I'm just really liking this look at the moment. It just feels a lot more natural, and it goes with a lot of the more brightly colored things that I have. It kind of tones them down, I feel. So yeah, I don't have them on me, but I did pick up these amazing mugs in the charity shop. They were 10 pence each. 10 pence. So the whole thing was 40p, and I've been looking for a set of mugs because I have lots of mismatchy ones, which I love, but when I put my shelves up in my kitchen, I want to put some things on the shelves that I'm actually going to utilize, like mugs and things that I'm going to use. So I thought having a nice set would be really interesting. So I picked those up, and I thought, you know, for 40p, if I do end up redonating them in the future, if I don't use them, that's not too bad. So yeah. And one last thing, I just thought I'd give this a mention. I didn't buy it, it was a hand-me-down from my grandmother, but she gave me this incredible marble lamp. It is on another level. I love it so much. It's been sat in her dining room for years without a lampshade on it, and she was just gonna get rid of it and send it to the charity shop. So I was like, I'll have it, thank you very much. And now it's in my sitting room, and she also let me have this lampshade for it as well. I'm not really sure whereabouts I'm gonna put it because I feel like it's very cluttered in this corner, but I like the way it looks next to the mirror, so I think I need to have a little shuffle around of some of these pieces and make it feel a little bit more calm. But I really love it, and I just think it looks awesome. I think it might be one of my favorite pieces in the whole house, especially because it is from someone that I care about a lot, so it's nice to be able to look at it and be like, that's from my nan, you know? So hi Nan, if you're watching, my biggest fan. Anyway, I know this was a massive haul, but it is super collective, and I have been trying to be more meaningful about what I buy and bringing things into my life that either have memories attached to them or are special in some way, and if they're not special, I want to try and replace the items that I already have with the new items and just get rid of old clutter. So I'm trying to be a bit better. I did fill a massive bag of stuff for the charity shop, which is downstairs, and yeah, when I bring things in, I kind of have to reassess, like, do I have some other things that I can take away so that I don't amass loads more stuff. I really don't want to get to that point again. So yeah, I thought I would mention that because I don't want anyone thinking that I'm going back to my old ways and bringing loads of stuff into my house, because I'm really done with that. I haven't done a sort your life out in a while. I really haven't thought of what I could be sorting out. So I think I'm going to come back to it in a few months' time when I feel a bit more refreshed. But yeah, I'm definitely got a bit of a different mindset despite the fact I've got loads of things. Sorry, I just went off on a tangent there. But yeah, that's everything for this ginormous haul. I now have two massive piles of stuff that I need to go and clear up. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I haven't bored you for too long. And with all of that being said, have a great day, have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.